Instagram has added a new AI tool for stories called Restyle. Want to learn how it works? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the new Restyle AI tool for Instagram stories. Now let's get started. To use the Restyle tool on Instagram, first ensure you've updated your Instagram app to the newest available version. Then open Instagram and begin creating a story post as normal. You can use the Restyle tool with a photo or video you've uploaded from your device, or take a new photo or video with the in-app camera. Then tap the Restyle icon at the top. Now you can add, remove, or change anything about your image using the Restyle AI tool. In the text box at the bottom, you can type in any changes you want to make to your image. You can use the add, remove, or change buttons if you like, but this seems to just add whichever word you've selected to the beginning of your text prompt, so it's not really necessary to select one of these. Once you've typed in your prompt, tap the send arrow to restyle your image. Meta AI will then restyle your image following the prompt you've provided. Once you've restyled your image, you can add another prompt to make further adjustments. If you aren't happy with the result, you can tap undo in the top left corner to undo the last change you made. When you're happy with how your image looks, tap done in the top right corner. Then you can make additional edits to your story, like adding text and stickers. Tap your story to post it. That's all it takes to use the new Restyle tool on Instagram stories. Want to try out another new Instagram feature? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.